Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable or disable analyze on-screen images in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on choose default apps and then click on digital assistant app. Now here in digital assistant app, first of all turn on the analyze on screen text button. So after turning on this button, you will be able to enable or disable analyze on screen images. So if you want to disable analyze on screen images, then turn off this button. And if you want to enable the analyze on screen images, then tap on this button again to turn it on. So with this button you can enable or disable analyze on screen images in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.